Back in action, we're back in the action, boys. Now, first things first, man, I can't wipe my smile off my face right now because I feel so much happier than I have in a long time, and one of the main reasons is because of you guys. Now, I've been updating you guys a lot through this whole YouTube thing that we have going with our channel not being shared and kind of being on this blacklist right now of not getting monetized. So with this update, I guess I will say I still need help from you guys, but the last video, you guys helped me so much in the way of giving out so much thumbs up and comments where it actually got pushed to people on YouTube, and we kind of started to gain our views back on that last one. So I just want to thank you guys so much for that. But yes, as I said, we are getting demonetized quite a bit. I'm not even worried about the money aspect. The money aspect is like last for me, but it definitely is the numbers, something that I live by, which I hate. I hate living by numbers because I don't even like numbers as it is. I hate math. But it's a fact when you're doing YouTube, and you guys have really started to kind of reverse this process of us being demonetized so often because we got 2,000 thumbs up within like the day and so many comments and like hardly any dislikes, which will make anyone sad. Like it was under 100, which is dope. So anyway, I just want to thank you guys. Just a quick thing right there. I really appreciate that, man. I'm feeling so happy recently because I get so depressed when stuff's not going right. I refresh my page hoping the views go up and they don't. So if you guys want to give a huge thumbs up, that'd be great, and comment down below if we can reverse this whole process on YouTube that's really screwing us over, to be honest. That would be awesome. Thank you guys so much, man. Now, getting into this video, man, another reason why I'm very happy today is you guys may or may not recall a ring that I got a while ago. It was over a year ago. That was my first ever real jewelry piece. You know what I mean? At this time, I was just wearing my silver chains. They were real silver chains, but that was it. It was my first ever actual gold and diamond piece, which was a ring. But then about a year ago, I don't know, I'm really bad with time. I don't even know what month it is. A year ago, I lost it, which really sucked. This ring cost about $3,000, but it wasn't about the money. The reason why this ring was so special to me is, and you guys know if with what I'm about to say, if you guys actually know me, I'm not bragging by this, but it was a milestone ring for me in which the month that I bought it, I actually made the most money I'd ever made in a month, which was $50,000. I know, that's crazy. I know. Lately with YouTube, it has not been like that, but no, it was with YouTube sponsorships and other ventures that I have going around with my money and cash that I just try to, you know, financially stable myself with, and my family, which is my girlfriend and my dog and my cat. But it was a very special ring to me, and the fact that I had lost it really hurt because that was just something I had worked so hard for. I've been posting at least once a week on YouTube for good over 10 years. I've been self-employed for about 4. So that was kind of my treat to myself, where I'm just gonna buy this and I'm gonna be so stoked with it and I'm gonna cherish it for life. Then I lost it. So good news is, I actually got a text from my buddy less than a week ago saying he actually found the ring that I had lost a long time ago at his place in New York, and he shipped it out to me. And I went and I picked it up from the post office today, and it's here. So this ring I'm about to show you guys, I've already unboxed on the channel, but only one video, and I'm sure a lot of you guys didn't see it. And just by my mood of getting it at the post office and knowing that I have this piece back that I cherish so much, the way that it got me so excited, I was like, I can't not make a video for the boys and share my excitement with you guys. So first thing I think about, it's like either you enjoy something alone or you enjoy something with people that you love. So we're gonna re-unbox this ring. I'm sure a lot of you guys haven't seen it because I haven't had it for so long, but it's here, man, and it's just like things are like feeling pretty good lately. You know what I mean? Things are feeling pretty good. Also, it's gonna make my setup a little less awkward. I'm super OCD, and right now I feel super heavy on this wrist and nothing on here. So once I get that ring, I might put this one here and the other one there, and it kind of balances it. That's just some extra stuff in my mind. But anyway, the ring's here and I'm gonna unbox it real quick, man. Alright, boys, so we got the package right here, covered my address. I gotta thank my buddy too. He knew I didn't know where it was. He could have easily just pawned that stuff and never talked about it. He hooked me up, man, and that's some real friendship stuff for sure. Oh my god, I'm so stoked. I don't even remember what this thing looks like, bro. Like, I remember the shape of it, obviously, because it's a shape you won't forget. I'm holding it in my hand, finally. Damn, it's cold. But I don't even remember the details, and oh my god. Here it is, man. Yeah, we did a jewelry collection video. I think that's the one video I said to you guys, yeah, that I don't have that ring anymore. I tried not to mention it too much because it just made me sad, but here it is. Diamond star ring, by far the coolest piece I have. I paid a lot more for this watch, but I was super newbie in terms of buying like diamonds and stuff where I just got absolutely ripped off on this. I kind of regret that, but this right here was something that was just so cool to me, and it was something that I couldn't replace once again because of the timing when I bought it. I just felt so accomplished. I had been working so hard, but also as a collector standpoint of me collecting my jewelry, which is pretty much just this right now. If you guys haven't noticed, I haven't been wearing my necklace because when we did that diamond tester video, it turned out it was fake, so that's the worst. But it also always like made me feel like I was like held back with my collecting because I would buy a new piece, but I knew I could have been one piece farther if I hadn't lost that special ring of mine. I'm sure some of you guys kind of get that. I just always felt behind with my collection, but now I'm back up to date and I'm gonna put it on for the first time in like a year, something like that. As y'all can see, it's a gold star ring. Now I actually got this off Canadian Diamond Boys. I don't think I should shout them out because they ain't paying me, to be honest, but anyway, they were really good. Canadian Diamond Boys, Gold Teeth Canada, search them up. This is, I think, over a carat in diamonds on this, and 10 or 14 karat gold, can't really remember, but it cost me a pretty penny, and this thing glistens like a mother effer, dude. Like, if you guys can see this ring right here, this one I only spent about $1,000 on, which I know is still a lot of money, but you can tell by the quality. This one right here is just not clear. The diamonds just suck. Like, I bought it off eBay. I didn't actually get it from a reputable jeweler like I did with this one. So you could just totally tell the difference. And that's also why it's like a ring that I just completely missed, because my other ones aren't that sick. This one was sick. Now we have it back, and I just had to share it with y'all, bro. Yeah, 1 carat. I think this might be, I think they're VS diamonds or maybe SI something. Can't really remember, but there she is. I'm so stoked, man. I'm so happy. I'm so happy to wear this again. And honestly, look at the balance on my hand now. It looks a little bit better instead of just one ring here and nothing on this hand. Or I could switch them up, dude. You could do this. Oh, that looks better, but that's my marriage finger. Damn it. That looks so much cooler though. Anyway, I had to share this for you guys, man. I appreciate you guys for watching so much. I don't know really what else to say. I was just too excited and I had to film it. Yeah, there she is. If you guys are actually looking for really good jewelry, I would search up Gold Teeth Canada, just goldteethcanada.com or something like that. They will definitely hook you up with some really solid pieces. Not like this crap and not like this crap. This one's pretty cool, but this one's the one. And man, I feel accomplished again, you know what I mean? I've got my piece back. So anyway, appreciate y'all for watching. Making the game the greatest of all time. Probably a lower minuted video, but if you guys want to give a huge thumbs up, that'd be great, and comment down below if we can reverse this whole process on YouTube that's really screwing us over, to be honest. That would be awesome. Anyway, blow.